No, I don't want video, I want... Go ahead.
Down below.
You want me to...
Okay, now go ahead. Action there.
Now?
I'm recording it.
As you see, we are specialists in the repairing. We do all kind of repairs, screen broken, any kind of software update, any other parts to replace in the iPhone, Samsung, HTC. All kind of phone repairing we do here. All tablet we do, laptop, all PC. We got all kind of parts. We are also doing specialists in... I think this.
Still going. It's going.
We are specialists in all electronic cigarette and all liquid, mobile accessories, accessories, everything. And the main thing we are good at it is Apple. All Apple product we can repair it here with original part with very reasonable price. So
now if you can show some phones close up so you can get that.
You can see this is iPhone. We are open for it to repair it. We replace the original iPhone battery.
Yep. And the screen as well.
We do a screen repairing also.
Screen repairing.
With screen repairing with home button. Anything will damage, we will repair it for you. All kind of part we repair.
Okay. Alright then. Hello guys, this is me once again doing a live shout out to the store, Old Kent Road near Tesco's. Just come to the store right next to the turning where the 78 bus stop goes. They can repair phones, like this one is an iPhone and it's broken the screen. And they can make it into this.
That's broken one.
Sorry, really no.
Oh, sorry.
And then they can turn it
Can I
into
sit down there,
this.
please? Thank you. And I'm off the camera.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll edit you. Yeah. So, yeah guys, come to the store if you want your phones repaired. Alright then.